Good afternoon, dear students and viewers. Welcome to our online classes. In the previous class, we have already discussed your science book, chapter 3, Animals and their eating habits. I think you all are know about eating habits of animal. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise of this chapter. Before we are discussed homework of previous chapter, so dear students, let's come to the topic. Before we discuss exercise of this chapter, first we looking back like this. Animals needs for food, for energy and growth. Classification of animals according to their food habits. Animals are 4 types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers. Herbivores means plant eaters, carnivores means flesh eaters, omnivores means plant and flesh eaters, scavengers means feed on dead animals. And next, different animals have different food habits. According to their food habits, they also eat different types. 9. Chewing the cud, swallowing, sucking and tearing and chewing flesh. And food chain. Food chain means this is the process when primary fruits consumed to the secondary and secondary to third to fourth. This is a food chain. First we discuss homework of this previous class. What is the difference between herbivores and carnivores? You know, herbivores means plant eaters and carnivores means flesh eaters. So dear students, first you make a line middle of their copy, and left side you write herbivores, and right side you write carnivores. Then you write definition of herbivores and carnivores. You know what is the herbivorous animals and what is the carnivorous animals. Next, give example of each animals. Herbivorous like cow, goat, carnivorous like lion, tiger, etc. And next, what is the difference between omnivorous and scavengers? Omnivorous means flesh. Omnivorous means both plant and animal eaters. They eat both plant product and animal product. But scavenger means they eat only dead animals. Like that means feed on dead animals. So dear students, like number 1, number 2, you make a line middle of your copy, and next left side you write omnivorous and right side you write scavengers. Then definition of, and then give example of each animals. And next 3 and 4, activity 3.1 and 3.2. This is give in your math, in your science book, activity 3.1 and activity 3.2. You can do yourself. And next, now we discuss exercise of this chapter. Multiply choice question. That means there are three options give. There are gives 3 options. We can take the correct option. It is a grass eating animals. Grass eating means herbivorous. So answer is deer. It is both plant eating and flesh eating animals. A. Cow. B. Crow. C. Lion. It is both plant eating and flesh eating animals. That means omnivorous. Which animal omnivorous? Crow. So you take in the B. Next, it has a long sticky tongue. It has a long sticky tongue. Which animals? Snake, frog, cat. Your answer is frog. Next, it sucks the blood through a hollow tube. We know answer is A. Snake, B. Butterfly, C. Frog. Which animals? Butterfly. Which animals? Butterfly. Next, it has sharp, pointed and curved front teeth because it tears the meat. Which animal? B. Fox. Butterfly is not a omnivorous, horses is a not omnivorous, but fox is a omnivorous. So answer should be fox. Next, odd one out. That means there are 4 words in each sentence. We can identify the odd which is not similar than 3 words. Then we circle them. Cow, goat, lion, horse. Cow, goat, horse are plant eaters, but lion is a flesh eater. So we circle in the lion. Number 2, lion, wolf, giraffe, tiger. Lion, wolf, giraffe, tiger. Lion, wolf and tiger. They are carnivorous animals. That means they eat flesh of other animals. But giraffe is a plant eater. So we circle in giraffe. Man, cow, crow, bear. Man, cow, crow, bear. Man, crow and bear. They eat flesh of other animals. But cow is a plant eater's animal. So we circle in cow. Next, butterfly, bee, mosquito, cat. Butterfly, bee and mosquito have long tube that they helps them in their feeding. But cat help eat their food with the help of mouth. So answer is cat. Fill up, that means you should fill in the blanks according to their instruction. Like they eat both plant as well as flesh of other animals. Which animals? Omnivorous, eat both plants and as well as flesh of other animals. Next, rabbits and squirrels dash their food. Rabbit and squirrel dash their food. Rabbit and squirrel knowing their food. A snake dash its food. Snake has no teeth, so a snake swallowed its food. A dog dash milk with the help of its tongue. A dog lap up milk with the help of its tongue. Animals depend on dash or other dash for food. We know animal depends on other animals and plants for food. Next, true and false. You write true for true statements and false for false statements. Herbivores are plant-eating animals. True or false? Herbivores means plant eaters. So herbivores are plant-eating animals. True. All pigeon omnivorous. No. All pigeon carnivorous. They only eat flesh of other animals. Sharks feed on dead and decaying fishes. Yes, sharks feed on dead and decaying fishes. The cod is partly digested food. Yes, the cod is partly digested food because cow eat this type of food cod. They first eat the food to their stomach and then second they come back to their food to their mouth to chew. A lion has flat and broad front teeth. No, a lion has sharp, pointed and curved teeth because it tear meat. So this is false. And next, match column A with column B. Like a plant eater. Which one is a plant eater? Giraffe. It chews the cud. Cow. A flesh eater. That means carnivorous. Which animals? Fox. It swallows its foods because they have no teeth. Snake. It sucks nectar. That means butterfly because they have whole tube. And next, answer the question. This is a long question. Number 1. What are scavengers? Scavengers means these animals which on depends but which on feed on dead and decaying animals. And number 2, what is gnawing of food? What is gnawing of food? The long, flat, sharp front teeth of animals like rabbits and squirrel helps them to bite and chew hard parts of their food. This is called gnawing of food. Next, what is cud? What is cud? Cud is the food that returns from the stomach of animals like cow and buffalo to be chewed for the second time. And why does snakes swallow their food? Because they do not teeth. What is food chain? Food chain? Food chain is a process which shows who eats whom. Plants, we know plants make their own food and animals depends on plants for their food. So which is eaten by animals depending on plants, and further these animals are eaten by flesh eating animals. This process makes a chain called food chain. How do butterflies take their food? We know butterflies have hollow lung tube. With this help of this tube, butterflies take their food. Next, this is a brainstorming question. First, why do we have different kinds of teeth? Because we have eat different kinds of food So we have different kinds of teeth to chew them properly. Why do dogs have sharp and pointed front teeth? Dogs have sharp and pointed front teeth because they can tear and meat and the food that they eat. Next, what happen if all the carnivores are removed from the earth? If all the carnivores are removed from the earth, the number of herbivores will be increased. So dear students, this is a hard copy in which write all the answer of exercise of this exercise. You can write in your science copy and practice it. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.